Hello everyone. A few months ago, I saw one of my items being used for a bumper intro, one of the biggest digital program in Indonesia, namely Talkbot. And today I'm going to show you how to create it. So let's create new composition in full HD TV and the duration about 20. Hit OK. And then I'll create new composition as our placeholder. Import your footage and drop into placeholder 1. You can close and drop your placeholder 1 into our comp. Maybe we can name it scene 1. And then we need to create new composition. We call it map to create a black and white map with, I don't know, I think for the map distortion you can use any shape, any combination, and this one is just for your reference. I'll use like this and close and bring your map underneath the placeholder 1, and then I'll create new adjustment layer here and add the distortion effect, transform. Now I'll play the scale from big one into 100. So from the big into small, about 3 seconds here. And yes, you can add some easy ease with F9. Use this, some kind like that. Under the transform, we create a displacement map, where displacement map right here, and displacement map layer, we choose the map and we play this red, I'm sorry, going to 0, and we play this one like this. So move on for a second, and I think I will use about 400 256, and keyframe go to 3 seconds and going back to 0 like this. Select the adjustment layer, hit U, so you can see the keyframe F9. I think we need to adjust the graph editor to make it same curve like this. Now after this scene 1, on my original template is we need to create some kind revealer for this scene 1. So we need to create new comp, name slide 1 like this, and bring your scene 1 here, and then we create a shape layer. Just double click and he will fall on the comp. on a rectangle pad, open the transform, and I don't know, I think we can use the position here to make it out of frame like this, and go about, I don't know, let's try 1 second and bring back to 0. So we will move like this. I think it's pretty good. And now easy is again, play the grab like this, and then this vertical line looks pretty boring, so I'll use skew effect here like this. So we just start from this 27, go to 0. We need to make the position more to the left, so this rectangle is out of frame like this one. So we start from diagonal and then we back to vertical again, and easy is again like that. I think it's too fast, about 1 second, so I need to extend it more and move the grab like this. So when he cover all image, it will more smooth. After this, we can create like alpha mate, so we will reveal our scene 1 like this. But I need to give some extra time for our revealer, so we will reveal more, look subtle and smoothly. Now I think this scene 1 is not pretty good for me. Hit U on the adjustment layer and select both keyframe and move the grab editor to the left, so we will make it more faster like that. Back to our slide 1, let's see what happened. Yep, I like it. Now if we see my original template, there is some kind of stroke on this part, so we simply duplicate the shape layer with Ctrl D and check the eye layer here, but we need to moving it down and then go to content, rectangle and transform. We need to move the anchor point a little bit like this, so it will become the stroke. If you don't like the color, you can change into some bright yellow or orange, maybe blue, to make it more stand out from our footage like this one. So we back into scene 1, and then first we need to create text layer here, and we call it tagpot show. Yep, is center, and we place into the center of the composition and make the size a little bit bigger, but I don't like the color. The color need more stand out like this. I need bright yellow. So in the text 1, we will add animate, choose position, and on Ring selector, the start is I'll start from 50%, and in the advance we need to change into ramp down, easy low 100, and the position I need to move like about this. I need to move about like this, maybe, I don't know. So we back to offset and hit on the 0 second here and go to, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds, and go to negative 100. So our text will like this. It will move like our image like here. So I need to easy is the keyframe and play with the graph editor again. I think it's a bit too fast, so I think the adjustment layer here need to hit Control and click the boot selected keyframe, and he will back to default keyframe. I think this one is more better for me. And select the tagpot show text and add new animator for opacity. So I want we need to adjust the ring selector first. In the advance I will use same ramp down, and the opacity need to bring back to 0, and I'll play with the offset like this. So hit the offset 0% here and move in the same keyframe, and bring it to negative 100 and select the boot, easy is F9, and play the graph editor like this, and it will create the text is from 0 here, and when they group on the center they on 100% opacity like this. After this, and if you see on my original template there is like square outline, so we will create the square. The fill is none and the stroke is about like this. We need to create it on the perfect square. I don't know, I just random it with 400. I think it's too big. We need to create it smaller, and the stroke is a little bit lighter, and the color is, I'll try white. You can change into any color you want, and then I'll move the position like this, right on the center. And I need to create this one into 3D layer and hit R, and I will rotate the Y rotation and the text too in the 3D also. So as you can see, the box and the text is overlapping like this. And then back to shape layer here, I will create Z rotation, and then he will move from left to right also. So in this, I'll make the same position keyframe for the shape layer, keyframe on this position and bring back to 0. I'll move manually, not using like this to the left, and then we create easy ease with F9 and the grab editor like this. So when they start coming like that, I think the block is not stop in the middle of the text, but in almost on the end of the text like this. I need to make it more faster. Like this. Now we back to slide 1 and see how the scene reveal like that. And now we want to create a small detail attribute or element that moving around on the screen. So I will create with ellipse tool, double click on it, and I need to create smaller, about 50 on 50 like this, and the stroke is about like this. This one is perfect circle. I need to more smaller. We select the shape layer and hit P on the keyboard, keyframe, and move to some second and moving like this, and this one moving like this, and this one moving like this. If you wanna get some loop on the last keyframe, you need to copy the first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, so they will move like this. He will back on first position. You can random the keyframe position if you want get another result like this, or you not, because it looks awful, but that was the basic idea. And I don't wanna the interpolation is Bezier, I wanna he go on the straight line like that, but again you hit F9 and on its grab I wanna create some kind of acceleration like this. So that was the idea. Now I want to create another with maybe different shape. I will trim the shape layer here. Where is my? Oh, I'm sorry. I will trim like this, but the stroke I will use round cap, so make it like that. And then in the transform I will rotate, give it the script about time, time star. Where is the star? About 60. So we will rotate like that, but I will make the position different from another shape. So I want to start from here, and the second is not here, but he will go here maybe, and the third he will go the bottom, and the fourth he will go like his, the fifth I wanna is come down to that and copy the first keyframe for the last keyframe, so this one is gonna back to our position. To get more randomized, I will make the size smaller, about 27, like that. And back to slide 1. That was the basic idea. I hope you like it, because you can go creative with from the map here. You can use another model like this, maybe. It's just for sampling. You can use your map more random. You can create your small detail like this. You can create your text and variation, and for the revealer you can create the box like this, or as you can see on my template, split into 2 part, 3 part, move from left to the right, up to the bottom, or anything. I hope you like this one tutorial. I can give another free project, because this one was one of my template. If you like, you can purchase it on Video Hive or if you have Element subscriber, you can download it with your monthly payment, because this video animation is pretty good for your anything, like your vlog, your holiday photos, or anything. As you can see, one of the biggest program show on Indonesia using one of my template here, but I don't know what license they purchase, because. So that was the tutorial today. I hope you always have something to learn every day. Thank you.